Here we are at the Hampton Inn Suites in York. We have the Signa 4 node here. This might be California code. That's just lovely. This one's submersible, the other one's dry powered. Yeah, we might have some good. You wanna switch on too? Yeah, these are cool.
Just press it right there.
Switch over to the dry powered one. Last time I was here, it didn't have a fan.
There, I fixed it.
Alright, let's go. Here's a cab view. Oh. Not so fast. There's your interlock up there. Oh, okay, it looks like we got this one. This one doesn't have a fan.
Nice.
Go down to one. You should use the panel of these as your new profile picture.
No.
Hey.
Still good though.
You might have gotten a call. Going up. What floor?
2, please. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
That door operator still sounds the same from when I was last here. Let's listen. We'll go down to 1 again and then back up to 4 so we can listen to that motor completely. Besides that, we'll get a cab view going down. The Signa 4 node once again. Watch you
3,000 pounds.
Oh. I think
Don't press anything.
we got another call. We got a call.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh,
You're fine, hon. Going up 3?
3.
Thank you, hon. Thank you, hon.
Have a good day. We'll end it on 4 because my take's already over 5 minutes.
Mine's up 3. Well, that's because I started.
I still remember when you started on time lapse at the Comfort.
Oh, shut up.
Hey! Fairfield and Hershey has that glitch.
Call recognition. Go look at the.
Alright. I'm gonna get out and end my take. And we'll watch that close. And that will be it.